Welcome back to check on the progress of Doug's X5. As you'll notice behind me, I have the car loaded in the trailer and we're getting ready to haul it off to California. And in order to do that, I've got to tie this thing down. And what's interesting about this trip is I was contacted by a company called Strapino. I'd never heard of them before. They asked me if I'd be interested in checking out their ratchet straps and providing an honest review. And I thought, you know what? Let's take them up on it and check them out. So one nice thing about these, or one unique feature as I investigated Strapino about these ratchet straps, are this is not a Strapino ratchet strap, but this has a tail. You always have to deal with this tail, and a lot of people don't like that. It's a pain, it gets in the way, you have to take the time to wrap it up. What's unique about the Strapino ratchet straps is there is no tail. So this ratchet strap self winds just like a seatbelt almost. So you pull it out, you get what you need, you hook it up, and it automatically retracts. So you hook this up, pull it out, hook it to the car. I have no tail. Quick, easy, no fuss, no muss. So let's check these out. So they sent me 4 of these. We're going to tie down the car. We're going to haul it 6 hours to California and see how these things hold up. Give them an honest review. Now they sent me 4 of these. So look, as you open it up, this is exactly how I received them. A lot of bubble wrap in here. And then we had 2 straps per box. Let's go ahead and see what these look like when you officially open them up. So this is what you get when they're brand new. Instructions on how to use them. Now they sent me the heavy duty ones. You get the complete strap assembly as well as the axle straps. First thing we'll do is hook up the axle straps, or put the axle straps around. Well, that's pretty simple right there. Actually, I got a twist. Go like that. And just ratchet it like a normal strap. That is nice. That is nice. No tail to have to wrap up. No extra strap to float around, cause you a trip hazard, have to worry about tying up, or if you're on a flatbed trailer, blowing in the breeze. Let's do the back. A couple things I noticed on the front I want to take the time to show you here. Okay, so when we put this down, you'll notice there's a nice thumb lever here. That makes it nice and easy for you to operate that latch. And it's on both sides. Just wanted to point that out. Let's get these installed. Now let's see how quick we can strap the back of this down with the Strapino system. I don't know about you, but the Strapino system is pretty quick and efficient. These are locked. These are locked. That's impressive. At this point in the game, I am sold on these straps. Quick, easy, efficient. I'm done. All right, we're gonna start that 6-hour drive. We'll see how these straps hold up. Okay, I've arrived at Hothead Headers. Moment of truth after our 6-hour journey. Well, and I stopped on the way and I checked. I definitely checked periodically. The straps performed flawlessly. Here's the back. Okay, we made it to Hothead Headers, 6-hour drive. You can see the straps didn't move at all, and now I'm going to show you how to take these things off. It's real simple. Guys, at this point, I'm a fan. Now that I've returned from my 700-mile journey to California and back, I wanted to report and give you my final thoughts on the Strapino ratchet strap. Now, the strap that they sent me is the 2-inch one, which has a braking load of 10,000 pounds and a working load of 3,333 pounds. These work flawlessly for me. I'm a big fan. I like them. A couple things I notice is when you open this up and you use them, whenever you go to release it, you just want to make sure that this locking cam or roller here, when you unratchet it, you pull it and this goes straight, so it allows a smooth path for it to auto retract in. Now, how long this auto retract spring is going to work is to be known here. So it does tell you in the instructions to lubricate this with silicone lubricant, just small increments at a time to keep that return spring working correctly. Other than that, other than the return spring and how long that lasts, I think these are going to hold up quite nice. So I will use these for the entire next dune season here, and I will report back at the end of the season and let you know how they held up, and we'll go from there. If you'd like to get a set of straps like this, keep in mind we have in the description below, we have Strapino's link to their website, as well as link to Amazon where you can purchase the straps. Okay, let's unload the car so we can get the header work done.